Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to view the browsing history on a Spectrum router in 2026. So if you are trying to monitor the internet activity on your network, this guide will help you understand your real options. So first of all, you need to understand one important thing. A standard Spectrum router doesn't store the full browsing history like a web browser does. So that means you can't actually log in and see a detailed list of every website that you have visited. However, you can still check certain network activity details. So for that, you just have to open your web browser. Over here in the search bar, you just have to simply search for this particular IP address. It is 192.168.1.1. Now you need to also make sure that you are on a device which is connected to your Wi-Fi. Now when you hit enter, you will be shown this type of page where you need to provide your router's admin username and the password. If you haven't changed it, the login details will be printed on the router's label. So once you log in, you just have to look for certain sections like the connected devices or the device list or advanced settings, or you can also look for the option of manage your devices. Now some of the Spectrum routers may show you the basic connection logs, which include the device name, the connection time, and sometimes the IP activity. But again, they usually don't show you the full website history. So if you need more detailed tracking, here are some of the options. So you can just simply enable the parental control through the router or the Spectrum application. This may allow you to block certain websites or monitor the limited activity. For more detailed monitoring, some of the users install a third-party router with advanced login features. So these routers often provide you the better tracking and filtering tools. Just remember that monitoring internet activity should always be done responsibly and legally. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.